Welcome back. I'm at Henley Food Festival today, okay? A little bit of a change from the East London markets. Today I'm doing sausage and potato salad. Right, so I picked up earlier, as you saw, some fantastic Gloucester Old Spot sausages, traditional sausages, right? No extra herbs or anything like that. These are just an old family recipe, really, really good flavour. All the flavour's going to be here in a potato salad. Now, we've got some lovely little new potatoes here. A little bit of celery, some lemon, shallots, parsley, a little bit of fennel, some honey for the dressing, mustard, olive oil. First things first, let's get your spuds, pop them in, bring them to the boil, and you want to keep the skins on because all the flavour's in the skins, okay? Right, so, sausages. This is the beautiful thing about coming to somewhere like this. You know that the bangers are going to be great. You just know the meat's going to be great. Right, here we go. In with the sausages. Just leave them in there, not too high, because otherwise you're just going to cook the outside and then they're going to be all raw in the middle. So you want to get them down on a nice low heat for the salad. We're going to use our fennel. We're going to do it raw. You want to shave it through nicely. It's a nice crunch to the salad. And fennel and pork goes fantastic together. That's to one side. A shallot. Just try and keep everything the same size, because when you're cooking, it's all about balance in flavours. Right, take that off. You've got to make sure that they stay the same sort of size. So it's all delicate. Not too much onion, just enough to give it a nice savoury flavour. So we've got the onion, we've got the fennel there. Okay, let's get a little bit of celery. So just slice some little bits off there. Okay, different shapes, different sizes. Just some nice bits. Right, let's get everything into the bowl. And we've got some nice little purple rocket, which I haven't seen before, but there's a fantastic little herb garden over there. And they've got some really good little stuff in there. Okay, a little bit of parsley we're going to chuck in. Right, bit of parsley in there. A little bit of lemon zest. Nice. Right, now we're going to make the dressing. This is extreme cooking, but this is what Market Kitchen's all about. We don't care what the weather is. We want to make sure you're getting those recipes at home. Okay, a little bit of olive oil. Get it all in there. A little bit of honey just to sweeten it up a little bit, and then a bit of the old Dijon mustard. Whoa! Here we go, lovely dressing in there. Mustard goes fantastic with potatoes and with sausages. Now, with my sausages, as I was saying earlier, when they got a nice bit of colour, just pop the lid on, okay, and turn the heat down to sort of like a medium to low. That way it's like a little oven, so everything's cooking inside, okay? The tatty should be done now, okay? Let's have a look. Oh, lovely, see that? They're done, ready. So I'm going to put a little bit of butter in here with the sausages. And then all that lovely oil that comes out of there is going to be really nice for the potatoes to go in. Just adds more flavour, you know, never waste anything. And potatoes, they love butter as well. Look at that. They absolutely love butter. Just smash them down. They're nice. They're lovely like that. And then just pop it in. And then just, there's a nice warm salad. You've got your potatoes, your fennel, celery, onions, everything in there. It's a nice bangers and mash, but a summer version, you know? Just like a little summery bangers and mash. And if you've got produce like this, just keep it simple, you know? There you go. That's my lovely summery bangers and warm potato salad.
I think the sausages are really tasty. Really, really good.
All the flavours work really well together. I think I'll definitely try and make this at home.
I like the way that all the flavours come together. There's a nice bit of sharpness there. It's an interesting take on bangers and mash, really.
Really good British bangers and mash there.
Well, there you have a great alternative for the traditional sausage and mash using some brilliant bangers from Henley.